A warm welcome to our EMO booth in Hanover. As a specialist for clamping and gripping, we offer you a comprehensive range of high-quality work holding for turning, milling, drilling and grinding. We are excited to reveal a world premiere at EMO. The new DURO-A power chuck supplements the DURO-A RC, which was presented last year. As a true power champion, it provides constant clamping force for more than 500,000 cycles and up to 30% higher maximum clamping force. In addition, the new DURO-A power chuck delivers up to 10% weight reduction, improved interference contours, optimized centrifugal force loss and a 3-year warranty. With the DURO-A power chuck, we are presenting a true power champion at EMO. And to go along with this, we have also created a new thrilling power challenge. In this challenge, the strongest fair visitors can try to measure up to the DURO-A, become a power champions themselves and win attractive prizes. In our catalog program, you will find clamping solutions for almost any application, such as, for example, live centers, vices and lace chucks. We offer a large portfolio of mandrels for internal clamping. With our power-operated angle lever chuck, you can easily clamp railway wheels, bearing rings and other large components up to a diameter of 5.5 meters. But more than just clamping large components, we can also clamp very small and delicate items with our micro-technology clamping solutions. Here, for example, is a power-operated chuck with special jaws for machining artificial hip joints. This special clamping device enables easy and reliable loading as well as hydraulic clamping of the cylinder block by means of spring tension and hydraulically pressurized pins. Our power-operated indexing chuck for machining both sides of threaded sleeves is vital in the energy sector for the oil and gas industry. As a system supplier, we offer palletizing as well as clamping solutions from a single source in the automation sector. In addition to our product range of parallel and centric grippers, we also offer synthetic gripper solutions that are adapted individually to the workpiece. The latest developments in this area are our HRC grippers for human-robot collaboration, as well as our drone grippers. Our product range is completed by accompanying services. They range from worldwide technical support, repair, inspection and maintenance, continue with installation and commissioning, right up to an all-around carefree service contract.